Hello. Yeah. I am stoked for this. I love cars. I love video games. Yeah. I'm assuming YouTubers can read. Well, you know. Forza Motorsport 4 Limited Collector's Edition with the 2012 F01 BMW M5. That's a sweet color. Alright, I've already torn into this thing a little bit, just so I can get it started. And I just had my fingernail, I just cut my fingernails. So, really, I can't cut nothing. You know. Alright. Now, very hard to do this with one hand. Hey, pretty kitty. Ah. Yeah, you'll get to play with that plastic in just a minute. That is cool. I probably won't go over everything in the whole package, so I'll just read what it comes with. That may show up a little blurry, so I'll read it to you. Art book. Cars of Forza Motorsport 4. 96 pages, which includes vinyl logo stickers. The American Muscle Car DLC pack, which is included for free. VIP membership and BMW Design Challenge winners. As well as my pre-ordering location being Best Buy. So I'll also fire up the 1M. That is too cool. Don't get a good angle from there, I apologize. Wow, I hadn't seen this much love for a game since Halo 2 Metal Tin. And speaking of that, it looks almost exactly the same. I prefer that color versus that color for the game logo. Differs it up a little bit. And here's the book for Forza 4. Let's see. I'll actually open that at another time. Will I? Or won't I? Yeah. I'll open it with both hands. Really good balance of cars as opposed to Gran Turismo 5. Yeah, I went there, okay? But not so fast. Not so fast. Yeah, see? Yeah. It's a good game. It's a good game plagued with a, you know, great game with cars separated in nothing but model year. Yeah, PlayStation 3. You can see that very clearly. And a 360. There's also a Wii. But I'm not going to get to that. That's not important. I like both. I think there's just going to be a better balance of cars in this game. Sure, Gran Turismo 5 had my all-time favorite, the 67 Cougar XR7, but this game's got the Eliminator from 70 at first, at least, rather. Let's take a look at that. It's the, wow. Yeah, that's just some of the stuff that's in this game, and in this book that comes with it. Alright. Well, I need to fire it up. I hope everyone enjoyed my unboxing of the Forza Motorsport 4 Limited Collector's Edition. Thanks for watching.